How to change caption subtitle window color on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, click on Hearing Enhancement. After click on Hearing Enhancement, scroll down and click on Caption Preference. After click on Caption Preference, click on Caption Size and Style. Scroll down if you want to change caption. So you will see caption style is here. So if you want to change, so click on Custom. You will see caption style is changed. Scroll down to, and if you want to change window color, so you will see caption window color is here. So if you want to change window color, so change window color from here. After change window color, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change caption, subtitle, window color on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.